What if your next big step was clear, concise, and incredibly effective? In a world full of noise, finding solutions that truly resonate can be tough. You need a partner who understands your unique vision and helps you achieve it. We transform complex ideas into simple, actionable strategies, always with your success at the forefront. Partner with us and experience the difference that genuine quality, unwavering professionalism, and tangible results bring to your objectives. We craft custom approaches, ensuring your goals aren't just met, they're exceeded. We're here to build lasting relationships and celebrate your growth. Ready to turn aspirations into achievements? Click the link in the description to discover how we can empower your journey today.